All right, today I'm going to show you how to do a rinse only cycle on your washing machine. Right here I have my washing machine and I'm only going to do the rinse cycle. I'm going to bypass the regular wash because I just want to rinse these to get some of the extra soap suds from out of the clothing, all right, out of the laundry. And I just want to get an extra rinse. Okay, so I'm just going to do just a rinse cycle. The original cycle is done, and now I'm just going to do a rinse cycle. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to make sure that the clothes are fully in the washing machine. You can see that they're fully in the washing machine. Then I'm going to close it, and then I'm going to turn my washing machine on. Once I turn it on, you're going to look over here, and you're going to try to find a option that is a rinse option. So I'm going to keep on going all around, normal, bedding, quick wash. Wait, it was all the way on the other side. So I'm going to go all the way on the other side, and you see where it says rinse and spin, okay? So that is the rinse and spin, okay? So I'm going to come over here, and I am going to make a selection. I can do an extra rinse if I want to. I can turn that off. I can do spin only. So say, for instance, I just want to spin the laundry to get extra water out and don't want to rinse it. I can do that. But I'm going to unselect that. And I'm going to go with the rinse and spin. And now they have options right here on this particular washing machine where I can go from no spin to where it just rinses and just drains water but doesn't spin. There's a low spin, a medium spin, and a high spin. I'm going to go for the high spin, and I'm just going to go over here and press start. And that is how you do a rinse and spin option. Rinse your clothes on the washing machine. I hope this was helpful. Thanks a lot for watching.